Too late.
You got too late. I can't get out.
Do your retarded stuff, Mason. No. Okay, so Mason can't get out of the pool. He's stuck. Quick, Mason, the sea monster's coming. Sea monster. I wonder if I can zoom in with this. He got out of the sea monster. He got away from the sea monster.
The sea monster.
Where? Oh.
On the tower. Oh. I don't want to get old.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Them. Yeah, kids like Mason.
Yeah. What were you talking about? When I get old, I don't want to get old. Kids like Mason are going to pick on me.
Now jump in. What happened to that ball?
Oh, yo, I'm just joking around, yeah.
Go get the ball.
Yeah.
Push Kaylee in. Push Kaylee in.
You guys can't push old Mason in. Oh, yeah. No. Not real much.
Where? Oh, there's that big squirrel. He's just standing there.
Makes me think of this tower.
The squirrel we saw earlier.
No. I have no upper body strength.
Yeah, but you're taller than he is.
You are going in.
You're taller than he is.
I will give it for I have lower body strength, no upper body strength. Your mom. I sit. He like sat down on that thing and it made a weird noise.
What's that noise?
That's your mom.
Oh, of course.
Why are they breaking these?
I don't know.
Why do they rake leaves with rakes? Hi, DJ's phone. That's DJ's phone. DJ's holding the camera right now. Let me see it.
Oh, what did you wipe on it?
Your mom.
Your mom. Oh my god.
I have to go get that ball now.
Wait a second, let me set my phone case down.
What do you need to do?
See, you have to get in to grab it now. Here, throw it to me. I'm gonna hit Mason with it. Throw it, throw it. Oh, I can't reach it now.
No! That was the good thing to do. That was the good one.
Yeah.
There's real talk out here.
Aw. Well, this is going on YouTube. Caught it, Mason. Hooray.